Hi, it's Juliet and I'm here in beautiful Waterfall, and welcome to the Buckley kitchen. Today we're going to be serving up a real treat of a meal, and as we're in desperate times, that calls for desperate measures, which means that we have to come up with something really unique and interesting, and that is what we call Corona chicken. So Corona chicken is simple and easy and tastes fabulous. Your family's going to love it. They'll never want to eat spaghetti bolognese again once they try Corona chicken. So as most of you know, I'm not much of a cook, and this dish is so simple that even I can do this. And so we'll get started. So the first thing is that you need a can of Corona, and this is to drink while you're preparing a meal. So the key ingredient is Corona. And so what else have we got? So we've got our Corona. I've got a bit of turmeric, that beautiful yellow coloured turmeric that's just going to look fabulous on the chicken. We've got a bit of paprika to make it a bit spicy. We've got a bit of cumin, not quite sure what that does. And we've also got a bit of chili to spice things up a little bit. So that's our ingredients. So we're just going to prepare it by putting a bit of these beautiful herbs onto the Corona chicken. And we add a bit of, this paprika, this smells so good. This, it's fantastic paprika, just love paprika. And of course, to make it look, look at the colours in that turmeric. So not only will it taste good, it looks good. And add on just a little bit of pepper. And of course, some chili flakes. Okay, so time for another drink. Now let's get this scrub going. Oh, this beautiful, beautiful herbs and straight into the chicken. It's looking fantastic, smells great. This is going to be one tasty Corona chicken. So the next step is we need to put the can of Corona into the chicken. But make sure you drink half the can before you put it in. Don't put a full can in. Actually, I'm past half a can there, so we'll put this one right in. If we can get it in. Oh, there we go. And there we have Corona chicken. Simple and easy, and it's going to taste amazing. And so basically all we need to do now is stick it in the oven. And you put it on to about 230, put it on for about an hour, keep a bit of an eye on it, yeah, we'll see what that looks like. So earlier today, I actually made up a Corona chicken, and this is what it looks like. It's really hot. And there we have Corona chicken that's been social distancing and practicing safe hygiene as well with its mask. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy Corona chicken.